Oh,
Oh, I'm going to show this to
you're
Kobe.
making me tired. You're making me tired.
I'm tired.
That's insane.
Oh,
All right,
take a photo.
Can you get a photo? Nice. All right.
Take that to the wall.
Go to the
Take a photo.
All right, darling.
What?
Okay, darling. So 3 years ago we were here,
Yes.
and we got the same thing. 3 years you came into my life. I love you a lot,
Yes.
and I found the woman that I want in my life. Now I wanted to know, come alright, see we try. Will you marry me?
Ah. Thank you, darling.
But will you? You're gonna give me an answer.
I will.
You will? Okay, darling.
I will.
Get your hand out.
Oh, I have no.
Okay.
I have to.
Is that there? Okay. I hope I got right. You can push.
Yeah.
Alright, darling? Is that good?
Thank you.
So I found my girl for my life. Okay? You right?
Thank you, darling.
And now we have to get photo because from 3 years ago we had the same photo.
Oh my god.
Alright, okay.
I'm crying.
You crying? That's good, darling.
Congratulations.
You happy? Thanks, Joe.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it.
Photo.
Oh.